Hey swimmers, Coach Scott here to give you workout number 4, level 1. Again, before going through these 5 exercises, make sure you're doing some dynamic warm-up to get yourself warmed up and ready for these. And again, after you go through these 5 exercises, 3 rounds through, you want to make sure you're warming down at the end. All right. First exercise we have here is a side plank with a twist. We're going to do 10 per side. We're going to go ahead and get down from a kneeling position for this. Go ahead, get down on your knees. Go ahead, shift over to one side. Put that hand down inside of you. Try and keep a nice straight line. You're going to feel this in your core. Now with the twist, you're going to have the arm up ahead above you here. And you're going to reach under, look straight down at your hand, and have that hand go through just enough so you can see it past your arm, and then come back up. All right, you're gonna feel it on the sides of your core a little bit more as you go through this. All right, so that was 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and do that on one side. Then you're gonna switch over to the other side and have that other arm come through. You're gonna do 10 per side. After this, we're gonna go into some kneeling push-ups. So keep on your knees right there with that mat. If you have one handy, go ahead and get down in that push-up position. You can keep your feet up or cross them like that, whichever you prefer. Go ahead and keep those hands directly under those shoulders, and then come on down for some push-ups. All right, just as you would before. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna go through that for 10 reps. After that, we're gonna go into our third exercise, which is gonna be side lunges. All right, go ahead and move that out of the way for now, okay? So with a side lunge, what you're gonna do is step to the side and bend that leg that you are stepping with down into that lunge position, all right? We're gonna do 5 per side, so get yourself nice and squared up. Go ahead and take that one step down. Go ahead and get down into that lunge. Not too deep, but deep enough you're gonna feel it in your quad here. And come back up. Down again, and then back up. Number 3, and then back up. When you're done with that one side, again, 5 for that side, you're gonna go to the other side, all right? So down and back up. Down and back up. That other foot stays still the entire time. After you do 5 per side, our 4th exercise here is gonna be bicycle crunches, all right? Some of you might know what these are. If not, we'll go ahead and walk through them just to make sure. Go ahead and get that towel or blanket, whatever you have handy, all right? Go ahead, get down on your back, nice and comfortable. All right, what we're gonna do here is you're gonna alternate getting one arm up to that other knee while the other foot is extending, and then back to the other side. So you're gonna get into that crunch position, that sit-up position, and then 1, 1, 1, 2. This is called a bicycle crunch itself because your legs look like they're pedaling if you move at a right speed. So again, touch, 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 touch. You can also slow it down. This does not have to be fast. All right, so go whatever speed is comfortable for you. What we're gonna do is 10 per side on that. So 10 with one crossover, 10 with the other. And then finally what we're gonna do is some stepwise flutter kicks. So go ahead, stay back down on that mat here, whatever you have. And then what we're gonna do is some stepwise flutter kicks. You can keep those hands down at your side. Tuck your thumb right under your butt if you want. That's what I tend to do. And we're gonna have one leg come up and then the other leg come up, all right? So you're gonna always have one leg down at the same time. You're gonna feel this in your core. Point those toes. It's gonna mimic like if you're kicking, all right? So again, I'm giving you that rest so you can have that other foot down on the ground. Move at your own speed, all right? Whatever you feel comfortable with. You can go faster if you want, or you can slow it down like I was doing before, all right? With that, we're gonna do 10 per side, I believe. Just double check here. Again, yeah, 10 per side on that. After you go through those 5 exercises once, you're gonna go through that 2 more times for 3 total rounds. After that, go through 5 to 10 minutes of some nice stretching and cool down, and you're all set. Thanks guys so much. Hope you're staying safe and healthy.